Okay. Had breakfast. And now we are headed to, we couldn't get our LTVA pass. I think I already said this in a video yesterday because they closed at 2 and we got there around 3. So we are headed there now to get our LTVA pass. So we stayed one night just on BLM land. We're headed to get our LTVA pass and dump and get water and then go find our winter home. Yeah. See if our North 40 is available. Oh. Ready to land for a few days. I know we were a few days at the casino, but that's totally different. Yeah, this is landing out in the middle of nowhere in quiet and silence. This is, yeah, not the way out. I need to go get propane today too. Here you go. The things you gotta do when you roll. It's already getting warm outside. There's Indian Man right in front of me. Okay, we are legal. We have our LTVA pass. So now we can move around to all the LTVAs. So I wanted to get that done before heading back to Yuma for sure, because I may need to utilize some of the LTVA while I'm out there. Either to do trash or dump or stay. But anyway, got that done. Now to dump and get water. Well, our campsite isn't available. We've been camping there for 3 years, and this year it's already taken. We think it's the guy that was kind of parked close to us last year. Yeah, he's like, nice campsite. I'm sure. So the guy says that he, last year he left in February. So if that's the case, we could go over there in February and then stay there February and part of March. So we might do that, or we might find the best camping site ever on our scouting that we're doing today. So we're on a scouting mission looking for our next camping campsite, and you never know, we might find something that we love better, and who knows, we're just gonna go until we find something. If we don't like it today, and we go, no, we'll turn the key and go find something else somewhere else. It's a big desert, so we can hunt and find the spot that we want. So that's what we're doing now is, and we like to camp way out, so it takes us about 15 to 20 minutes to get out far enough to then start looking. And the people that are out there, they're out there, and I don't remember what I was saying. Oh, the people that are out far, like we like to camp, they don't want to see anybody either. Like we don't want to see anybody. So you can't just go out there and go, oh, you know, we're right across the road from this one camper, which we found a nice little spot, and we pulled up in there, and yep, she got out to look to see if that ditch was passable. So I think we're gonna go down that road a little ways. Looks good to me. Does it?
Yeah, you want to try it?
Sure.
I think that's actually it.
Okay.
Hi, Sammers.
Let's try it.
All right.
So there's a sign down there. You can't probably see it. It's a little white sign. That's the end of the LTVA. That's BLM land past there, but the end of the LTVA. But that road cuts back, and the only way we know that is because that's where Deborah used to camp. It's a lot further out, but it's going to be more remote too. So we're going to go down there and see if this road cuts back to the left. And actually you leave LTVA and then come back into it, which is fine, legal and all that, because it's all still BLM land. So anyway, we're scouting it out still. I don't know how long we've been doing this now, but it's fun. Drive around out in the desert. Oh. It's not a white sign, it's like a speed limit sign. But it doesn't say leaving LTVA like it used to. Oh, there's no overnight camping permit required beyond this. No overnight camping permitted beyond this point. Yeah, so right now we are not on LTVA, and then we turn back here and go down another road. So here it is, long-term visitor area, fee area, boundary. So now we're back on LTVA. So the road's a little rougher out here, but passable. Ben's looking at us through the mirror.
He's such a smart boy.
Side mirror. Hi, Finn. Okay. We are in Deborah's old spot, and it is way out here. And the road turns really bad, real rocky, real ditched. So we've decided to not stay here. I mean, I can't see a soul around us. So, which would be good, but the road is really coming in and out, and it's treacherous. Yeah, so we are not gonna, we could stay here today or a few days, but we're gonna go ahead and just head back down the road that we like and plant it somewhere, at least till at least a few days. And maybe we don't like it and we need to change, we can do that. So let's get back on the road, or not on the road, well, on the dirt road. Sammy, look how plush the desert floor is for you. We have found the perfect campsite, huh, Sammy? Hey! We have landed. Yeah. New site, new territory to explore. Yeah, it's lots of grass. They've had some rain here. It's plush, huh? Pen's like, what's this? It's grass.